Hello again, it's Mike with Auto Service Experts, here to talk today about services that we offer. We offer complete vehicle inspections, to engine diagnostics, to ABS diagnostics, all the way up to a used car inspection, which is very thorough. We also offer simple oil changes, tire rotations, brake services, transmission services as far as changing the fluid. We also do coolant flushes and fuel injection services. We can handle things as simple as you have a bulb out on the car, we can handle replacing that bulb. If it winds up being something more involved than just a bulb, we do have the expertise to do electrical diagnostics to figure out, is it a wire, or what is it? We do air conditioning services. So if your air conditioner doesn't seem to be cooling the car properly for you with the summer heat coming up soon, we can take care of that for you. We also do wheel alignments, and we have in our wheel alignment system, we have capabilities if your car has ADAS, the advanced driving systems, to keep you in your lane and stuff. We have the equipment here to recalibrate your ADAS system with the wheel alignment. So if you need any of these services done or anything else automotive related, give us a call or go online and set an appointment. Thank you.